Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable auto backup of contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. In here, swipe up to go down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Next, tap on Backup Data in the Samsung Cloud section. In here, you go down and tap on Contacts. Tap on the toggle button to turn off auto backup. Or you can tap on it to turn on auto backup of contacts. And finally, you can tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.